In this video, we will create a variance waterfall. Whereas waterfall charts display structural contributions to a total, variance waterfalls show the difference between two members, making them great at showing what contributed to an overall change between 2 points. We'll start by inserting a chart, selecting variance waterfall as the chart type. The chart has automatically recognized the date hierarchy and added it to the categories, as well as split the default selection by its children. So here we are seeing the evolution from 2020 to 2023 with the difference between the years shown by half year. We can see that the first semester of the year is where most of the growth comes from, as it is the longest green column. We can edit the categories to exclude 2023 as it doesn't have complete data yet by going into the task pane and choosing the years we want to see. We'll select 2021 to 2022. We'll also change our filters to set Canada as the country we're interested in. We can select the level we want the variance to be broken down at. By default, it will choose the children of the selected level. However, we could change it to see the monthly variation by choosing months. We can now see which months contributed most to the growth between 2021 and 2022. We may also want to view contributions to variance from a different hierarchy. In this case, we would select the chosen hierarchy in the split by box and then select the members the variance applies to. Now we can see how each subcategory of components contributes to the change in profit between the 2 years. Variance waterfalls support advanced filtering and outlier grouping. If there are too many members on the axis, I can make an outlier grouping so that the chart displays the top 5 products contributing to the variance with the remaining products grouped into a single member. I will select the absolute variance as the measure to rank the products so that I see the biggest differences. We now have a variance waterfall that will show me the top 5 items with the biggest differences to the previous year. Variance waterfalls quickly show you the biggest changes to your business. FluenceXL has another type of variance waterfall called delta waterfalls. They show the contribution of different members to a total variance. So here I have a delta waterfall on the left and 2 variance waterfalls on the right. We are looking at the variation between 2020 and 2023 to get an overview of the sales for different products. The total variation is 15 million. In our delta waterfall, that is the total, and we can see which members make it up. In the variance waterfalls, we see either the total or what makes it up separately. To create the delta waterfall, we use a simple chart and change the type. We then use the same controls as variance charts and the same business rules as waterfall charts to flesh it out. The delta waterfalls excel when combined with other FluenceXL objects to deliver a visual breakdown for more detail, such as here, where the delta waterfall on the right gives me the breakdown for the selected member of the waterfall variance chart on the left, which itself is giving me the difference between 2020 and 2021 from my waterfall chart. I have the variance displayed and I can easily investigate it by clicking on the member I'm interested in.